Okay, let me go to the Excel sheet. So what we have discussed with the different business transactions of asset accounting, acquisition with vendor, then we calculated depreciation, then we also sold out the asset, but with the customer. Also we have acquisition internally, we can purchase it. I mean internally, I mean it's a contra account, it's not purchase account, but it's a contra account without vendor. Okay, and we can, and unfortunately if you have something unplanned depreciation, yes, we can calculate that also. We can post some unplanned depreciation, and the next time when you run depreciation, it will calculate your unplanned depreciation. Also retirement with customer, you are selling asset to the customer, usually it will be revenue, and sometimes definitely it will be a loss also. And retirement without a customer, if you are adjusting internally. Okay, so these are the different scenarios. Now we had seen straight line balance method. Declining balance method, we have an option over there. So come back to the, so here for that nothing is required. Okay. Mm, General valuation, determine depreciation areas in the asset class, position, FF, right? So here, okay. See, we have already given a straight line related depreciation key here. So at the time of asset master also we can overwrite it, or you can do it in the configuration also. So I want to keep it as it is. We will change it at the time of asset master creation. Okay. Now what I'll do, um, we'll create one more method, depreciation, ordinary depreciation, not ordinary, sorry, valuation methods, depreciation key, calculation methods, base method. So base method, use the same thing, explicit percentage. Okay, no change. Declining balance method, so here nothing to do here, keep it as it is. Now here multi-level method, this is important, multi-level methods. So here click on new entries, multi-level method, you can give something declining balance method, t declining balance. Okay, I'm writing declining balance method for TA98. Okay, validity start from the capitalization date, levels, and new entries, acquisition. You can, it is applicable for all the years. This is periods if you want to enter base value. Okay, here the base value will be always C. Declining balance method, in the name itself it is the declining, on the declining balance. So what is the declining balance method? Anyone can say? Can anyone can tell me? Suppose 5 lakhs it is your value.
Value is getting decreased.
Yes, exactly. 5 lakhs. Suppose 50,000 is your 10% of your 10% is depreciation rate on 5 lakhs. Okay, so 50,000. So this is your first year, which is nothing. So what is your net book value here in BV? 4 lakhs 50,000. Do you
It's
agree? So
50,000.
next time what
Yes.
happens? It will calculate on 4 lakh 50,000. That's right, Divya.
Yes, yes.
Okay, 4 lakh 50,000. What will be 10%? 45,000. So this is your, okay, let me write it. 45,000. Again, you have to deduct, right? 4 lakh 45. So system will calculate accordingly based on the net book value. So if you look at here, 24 net book value. This is important for the declining balance method. Percentage, yes, I want to give 10 percentage. Press enter, save. So this is not ours. Let us update ours. Why to keep others? So Control F, TA98, press enter. So you can see here, continue, continue here. Okay. Now come back. This is the only one transaction I have changed it. Multi-level method TDB. Okay. And come back here. So this is done. Period control methods, no change. Keep it as it is. So we had used something the 001. If you want specific period controls, then you can just copy, or you can give a number of parameters. SAP has provided a number of parameters here. Okay. So here depreciation key. So this is another transaction where we need it. TN98. Okay, and mm, new entries. So declining balance method, right? So let us give let us give the same identification. Declining for TN98. Better furniture and fittings it is. Not only TN98 but furniture fittings. For example, only depreciation to the day, assignment of calculation methods, new entries, depreciation type, ordinary depreciation, phase from the start of depreciation, base method. As I mentioned, base method is, it will be the same because we are calculating it based on the percentage, right? So 12 explicit percentage, and this is not required. Period control 0001. Multi-level method, we have defined our own multi-level, we have defined separate for the declining balance method. Okay, declining balance method, what we defined, what was the TDP, right? Declining. Okay, I think there we have defined differently. Declining, spelling is wrong. Declining balance method for TDP. Okay, class here, here this is very important. You have to specify the class. Declining balance depreciation. So this is a method now we are understanding. Declining balance method. Click on save. Continue. Okay, so based on the percentage system will calculate and based on the declining balance method. So back, back, back. So select your this one and click on active because it is inactive mode. So activate it. Yes, click on save. Come back. Okay, now we are done. Now let us create one slash o as01. What is as01? Anyone can tell me what is as01?
Asset creation.
Yes, asset creation, asset master. So I'll take the same thing. So company code TN98, press enter. So by default, okay. So let me give something here, uh, 2 here
Three,
and
three, sir.
3. Okay, let 3 and so all these are not required. Keep it as it is, time dependent. So give cost center, system will update automatically business area and the profit center. Origin, system will update the vendor master, depreciation area. So this is coming from the configuration. For this asset class, furniture and fittings, system is picking from where it is picking? It is picking from the here, determine depreciation areas in asset class. Okay, it is picking from here. We already defaulted the depreciation key. Even though if you want to override the transaction, if you want to override the depreciation key, that is possible. So we already defined one depreciation key for the diminishing balance method, right? So what was the depreciation key? DBM, something we have defined, right?
TDB
TDB. Okay, okay. Where is TDB, sir?
or MDB.
DBM
DBM, I
only.
think.
DBM.
DBM.
DBM, it went up. Declining balance method for TN98 furniture and fittings. You can see this one. Okay, press enter. So automatically system will copy here because we are second depreciation is referring to first depreciation. That's the reason system copied here. And if you want to keep it separate, also it is possible. But it is depends upon the business requirement. Okay, so you have to update it accordingly. So 10 years. So click on save. Now system has to calculate based on the whatever the configuration we have defined it now. Okay, DBM, declining balance method 10%, it's a declining balance method. Now let us post one transaction now. And new window, F dash. What is the transaction? Anyone can tell me? Accounting, financial accounting, fixed assets, posting, acquisition. No, we are posting normal transaction again. We have to test. If you want to test, then we have to post the purchase transaction, right?
Yes.
49. See, everything same again. Routine transactions. You have to purchase the asset. You have to calculate the depreciation. You have to sell the asset or scrap the asset or whatever the business transactions that applicable from the business side. Okay. So, but the thing is same again. Same. Everything will be same. So, reference asset, not return, but asset acquisition. It is asset purchase. So, KR document type. Here it is. I hope this is the right one. Press enter. It's okay. This is not the this one.
Yes.
Yep, very good. Thanks for that. So let us give me 5 lakhs here. So asset acquisition. So this is your uh, what was
When
it? 70 purchasing asset, right? So how to purchase asset? It's a 70 always because debit asset. We are debiting the asset and crediting the vendor account. So where is your third one? This is a third one. Third one it is, right? So second one, third one, the third. So press enter. So remove this withholding tax. Continue. Account type. Someone has changed the setting.
no sir, posting keys it is vendor, not 70 I think. Vendor posting key has to give.
Vendor posting, it's already there, sir. 31 vendor, we already given 30 on one side, right?
Okay.
So other will be asset only,
31%
sir.
debit. Asset
So
only 70.
someone has changed the setting. See, debit asset. So someone has changed
Okay.
the document type settings slash O OB S7. See, guys will change continuously, sir. That's some problem. KR. So double click here. So asset has been removed here. Click on save. So understood what I have done under KR document type. Someone has removed asset. Okay. If you want to see our older transactions also, you can see slash O FB03. Yesterday we posted acquisition entries, right? Document list.
Yes.
Let us see KR document and my own documents and 2025 entry date is yesterday's date. Let us give yesterday's date. We'll see KR as posted with asset acquisition transactions. No corresponding list. Why? Why? Everyone has deleted the data or what? This is something surprising for me. What is yesterday's 18, right? 18 date, sorry. 18. Okay, so let us check for the there is no care document, right?
Yesterday we posted without customers, without vendor.
Okay, let us take the previous dates. When we posted, then okay, let us take 17th, execute it. Oh,
Now you can give care, sir. Document type care.
but it will give you many documents. We'll see. Okay, 1 4. Okay, this is the one asset. See 17th. Okay, 17th. Understood? So
Yes.
70 is coming here. So someone has deleted the posting key. So come back. So now again press enter, then system will cancel. Okay, let us give 70 here. So here sorry. So this will be third
Asset.
330 and this will be 100 asset acquisition. System will ask you to enter.
I hope we need to confirm first starting, I think.
There is no other option. I have to come out.
Hmm.
It is 1000, right?
Yes.
Supplier. So here 5 lakhs. So text asset acquisition. So give me 70 here. Payment house you can give 0001 and 30 here 100. What is 100? You know, right? What is 100? Your external acquisition. If I don't give, system will throw the error. Okay, external asset acquisition. If I don't give here, system will throw error. See, see, enter the transaction type. You have to enter the transaction type. Okay, 100. So you can give 5 lakhs here. Give something asset acquisition document simulate. So, okay, fine. Now it's
Yes.
working fine. But have we selected the right one? Yeah, it's we selected the right asset. Right, third one, post. So someone has changed the another one also. Interval 07 for the KR TNI2 year 2025. Interval 07. Interval 07. Interval 07. People are changing, sir. I don't know why. Why 07 it is asking here. Sub-object TNIT 2 year 2025 does not exist for RFBLG. What is interval 07? Hmm? Slash O OBA7. Fast path. Slash O
Invalid fast path.
O.
OBS.
But what is zeros? Okay, let it be. I think we are already in document type, right? This is 05. We are posting care document type, right? So why system is expecting another document of 0 from where we have that 07? This is something strange for me. Absolutely strange. See, the problem is someone is changing the standard settings here. See, someone has changed the standard settings. Standard will be always covering M exchange rate type. Okay, slash O SC16 and see, I know what needs to be done, but every students will not understand, right? What needs to be done. T003 document types, it's a table. Okay, T003 table. Number range is what system is asking 07. Huh?
Yes, 07.
07. So let us understand. Let us update here 07 here. So this is absolutely what do you say? Blunder. It is 07. It is asking for the asset AA. Okay, it is checking for the another ledger A. I think so. Okay, let it. But we already entered the number range. No. Okay, go to the A document type AA and double click here and 07 number range information TN98 change interval 07 is not there. Someone has changed, sir. Okay, so plus
Okay.
interval 07. Let us give next number available number 2025 1200 1300 1400 1401, right? 1401 1500. Okay, 14012 1500. Save it. Why lot of background noise is coming? कुछ काम चल रहा है क्या? Okay, this is done. So here this one, let us press enter now. That issue has been resolved. So someone has changed to two settings. One is document type. They have deactivated for the asset account type for the care document type, and they have removed the number. They have changed the number range for the document type A, which is used for the asset. Click on post. Document type 1305 has been posted. Display. So here, okay, asset accounting. So one is 1305 and another one is 1401. So basically it has been created separate document type for the two different accounting principles. Let us see FB03. Now we'll come to know what are the different transactions that has been posted. Okay, document list, give today's date 19th, right? So I'll come to know what are the different documents posted today with our company code. I'm not going to give any document type or nothing. Execute it. So two documents got posted. KR document 1305 So 1305, this is fine. GL view, so 0L other ledger T9. So entry view document, I mean whatever we posted the transaction, it has been updated in the both ledgers. Okay. Now what is the another one? 1401. This is for the what do you say, technical reconciliation account, right? So GL view. So this will have this is anyhow there itself it is covered. Now it has been updated for the technical reconciliation account. So come back here. Now let us go and check your asset master. Where is asset master? Okay, asset values, which is asset values is nothing but your report AW01N report. Okay, that's a report. So 5 lakhs, it's a 10%, 50,000, and posted values, we have not executed any depreciation. Comparisons, now you can see. So Divya, this is it is correcting, it is calculating correctly. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Yep. So it is calculating correctly. So this is the what do you say, declining balance method. Any question, Chari? So,
No, sir.
and the similarly again we can go ahead and execute the depreciation run and everything. It will be same similar. So net on the net book value, system will calculate accordingly every time. So 4 lakh 50, 45, 40405 and 364, 328, 329. This is fine. So let us execute the depreciation run. Accounting, financial accounting. So again the same thing, there is no difference at all. I just for your revision I'm just executing once again. Fixed assets, periodic processing, depreciation run, execute. So here this is fine, and if you want to see the particular asset you can mention third asset. Okay, this is execute option. Okay, we have not executed till now for that asset, so I'm giving 01. Click on execute. Yes. Yep, there are no errors. Okay, now you can go ahead and execute the program. So I can't execute in the background because system says system gives. Okay, in the test run it's showing in the test run mode. Okay, test run mode, if I remove this one, if I click on execute, then system gives this message: asset selections only allowed in the test run mode. Only in the execution it is allowed in the test run mode, but in the we are in the production mode now. I'm executing the production mode.
Sir, can we remove the asset number from here? Now we'll do.
No sir, it won't work. It gives message error in GID.
Okay.
It gives error message. Okay, this way you are saying, right? So this way you are saying to execute it. So if you read this message, this processing can only be carried as the background processing. Understood? So program background mode, because you will have lakhs of assets will be there, right, Chari? Not one or two
Correct.
assets. So
Mm.
cannot be done. So check and save. So this is anyhow. If you go to the SM38, you will see slash n SM37, which is a job where we can see the jobs scheduled. Okay, here you can see the this one, and you can come back here, select here, and you can see direct spool from here itself. So here itself spool here, and this has been posted successfully. Okay, now now you can go back to your asset values report. Now your planned values, sorry, posted values has been updated. Your depreciation, it's not refreshed. I'll refresh it. So the depreciation has been posted. Okay, if I double click also, it will take you to the transaction. It will show all the transactions here. So this is fine. So this way we calculate your declining balance method. If you look at the parameters on the depreciation key, sorry, on the display depreciation key, you will see all the parameters what we had given for this method. The only difference is the percentage is same. The only thing is base value. What is that base value we had given? 24. What is 24? Net book value. So all declining balance. See, declining balance method is also known as diminishing balance method, right? So always we calculate based on the net book value. Okay, and this is the one. All other things are same. Now I'll tell you one more method, which is what do you say? Which is I mean I had seen my in my previous client they specifically asked that method. So that is useful life. Useful life. Okay, what is useful life method? Say for example you have 5 lakhs. Okay, useful life is 10 years. So just divide it. That's it. Is equal to amount divided by useful life. Enter. What I've done? I've done something wrong. It's equal to 5 lakhs divided by useful life. Press enter. Sorry, that's correct.
Correct.
50,000. So so you are dividing your useful life per year. So 10 years. So system is dividing for 50,000. 50,000 into 10, 55 lakhs. That's correct. Okay. So if I change this one also, this will get changed. 6 lakhs. That will become 60,000. So basically it will divide your useful, I mean your total asset cost divided by number of useful life years. That's the useful life method. So earlier for one of the client they have used only useful life method. Okay, that could be percentage or without percentage also. It's any method, but the only thing is useful life. So let us check one more method. Mm, Go back here, come back. So where exactly that will be there? Useful life, I think so. Under base method again. Check for useful life. Where is that one? If you look at here, percentage from the useful life. Percentage from the useful. It is mentioned clearly. Percentage. Okay. Useful life. So we'll consider this 11 now. So let us create one more one. 11th one, multi-level method. So TN98. So I'll create new entries. Give useful life method. ULM. So that it will useful life method. Okay. Useful life. It's already there. Not very soon. What is very soon? Okay. For TN98. Okay. And validity start is from capitalization date, levels, new entries, acquisition year. Okay. Just give the same thing here. Now here it's not particular. If you want to use either net book value or acquisition value, it's okay. You can give anything. So we are what do you say? Uh, any method. The only thing is if we want useful life, don't give any percentage here. Click on save. I'm just giving a base value only from the acquisition value. See, base value is different from the base method. Okay, this is also not required. Maintain depreciation key. So let us create one more new entry, depreciation key for the useful life method. For the depreciation key, let us create the depreciation key for useful life. Someone has entered here. Let us remove this one. We can put it our own TA98, and this is for the furniture and fittings, for example. Okay, depreciation to the day, assignment of calculation, new entries. So you can give the depreciation phase ordinary depreciation from the start of depreciation. Base method, this is the important one. Base method, we have mentioned, we said that uh, what it should be, useful life. 11th one, ordinary percentage from the useful life. Okay, so don't. Okay, let us see what else we have. This one, the same one, multi-level method. We already defined one, right? What is the identification I had given?
ULM.
Yes, ULM. That's good. Class. Anyhow, we can use any method. Straight line depreciation. Click on save. Check the treatment after, enter the use of life. Yes, any fine. Continue. Now come back. Come back here. Now, oh, I have a okay. This one select here because this has to be activated. So you have to get message and click on save. So continue. Data was saved. Right, we'll see if it is not working. We have to rectify the errors. A little I'm getting doubt. We'll see if it is getting calculated or not. So here what we'll do, this one I'll close it, this one also I'll close it, this one also I'll close it. Now let us post one, let us create one asset master as ES01. So this is a fourth asset. Huh? What I've done? Change. This is a fourth asset for the useful life method calculation. Time dependent. So cost center, press center, and do you want to override the yes origin depreciation areas? So what is the depreciation key? ULM, right? ULM, which is depreciation key for the useful life. ULM presenter. So useful life 10 years. Click on save. So 40 has been created. Now let us post one asset acquisition, accounting, financial accounting, and fixed assets, posting, acquisition, external acquisition, vendor. So here 14, first one, right? Presenter, presenter, 5 lakhs, text here, asset acquisition, 70. So this is the fourth one. Selected it from here. Fourth one is this one. ULM 100 presenter. Remove this TDS. Why TDS? That can anyone tell me why the TDS pop-up is coming? Chari, Divya, Sakshi. Why that TDS pop-up is coming every time for me?
We have assigned that in vendor master.
Good, very good. Okay, document, simulate. So now click on post. Okay, so document has been posted. Now let us see asset values. So slash o aw01n, either you can go from the report or you can go from the asset master also. Okay, so here also we can see the asset master. Okay, display asset master. So 5,50,000, this is a fourth asset, and posted values, nothing has been posted. Comparisons. So yep, it is based on the useful life, it has been calculated. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so it is deducting accordingly. 50 50 50 50,000. Any questions? So if you try to change, if you try to change the useful life, let us see if we can change the useful life around the asset master. Slash o as02. I don't think we have to recalculate it. I think so. Master data, depreciation areas. Just imagine if I make it to 3 year, what happens? 3 useful life years for the 5 lakhs. Even I've never tried. We'll see what happens. Okay, now recalculate values. Let us see. Here itself option is there, recalculate values. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll go back to the asset master. This also you can come back and refresh your transaction AW01N. Not sure, have doubt. See, it is recalculated. Okay, because it is calculating divided by 3. Is that right? 5 lakhs divided by 3, it is 166. That's correct, right?
Correct.
Yep, posted values, comparisons, and yeah, absolutely. 100% it is correct. So basically, useful life is nothing but total acquisition divided by total number of useful life years. Make sense? This is a
Correct.
method. This is the method where I've used for IKEA client. Okay, so I configured it to complete asset accounting. Okay, sir. So, so what we had seen so all these scenarios and all these methods. I'm expecting you people to be completed all these scenarios. It will take 4 to 5 days for you, right? And if you want to explore, you can explore. We have so many different accounting, financial accounting, fixed assets, and if you look at your information system reports, okay, individual asset. So this is our report, right? Asset balances, asset list, asset balances. If you want to see by asset number also, you can see here. So asset number 4 and execute it. We'll see the balances, but hundreds of reports are there. I mean, see, for one asset, it is taking a lot of time. Okay, the value is coming accordingly here. So all these are reports only. You can explore as much as you can explore. You can check by cost center also, you can check by business area also, you can check by class, asset class also. This is very important, asset class. If you want to check for entire furniture fittings, yes, I want to check this asset class till date, what is the value, total value. See, SAP application, you have to explore a lot. Okay, I may teach you only 1%, but you have to explore a lot. Yep. Had we given on the selection screen 4.0? It is giving only the last one, but fine. So you have many options are there. So based on the business requirement, we'll work accordingly. Any questions, sir?
No,
This
sir.
is a one, this is a two, this is a third. Third can be anything. It could be a straight line balance method or a declining balance method. But the thing is, it is anyhow, it will calculate based on the useful life only. Okay, number of years. I mean, basically, it could be what do you say? Yep, this is not the percentage. This is useful life method. And we have to know all these scenarios. Okay, and some scenarios I'm trying to explore because even I'm not aware. Okay, so some my other students are asking me. Okay, I'm researching on those scenarios. I'll try to research and I'll try to load the videos. Okay, and because even I need to learn the configuration settings for those scenarios, I need to prepare some notes, then I will upload the videos. I'll share the videos later to you all.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and so configuration settings here, if you go here, accounts receivable, everyone completed accounts receivable, accounts payable, right? Sakshi completed, right? Accounts receivable, accounts payable.
Yes, sir.
You said the dunning was the only pending one. Completed?
No, sir, not completed.
So
Half configuration I've done.
so till dunning you have completed everything, right? Other than dunning.
Yes, yes.
So dunning is the only one area. So after completing dunning, just start immediately asset accounting. Okay. Again, if you are facing, catch me immediately. This will take time for you asset accounting. Okay. And bank accounting, I'll take you. But before bank accounting, I will take you this one because this is important. VAT. I mean, earlier we used to call VAT, right? But now India's implemented GST. Okay, this will take, if you are sitting for continuously for 1.5 hours, this will definitely we can complete it. Now you should decide whether when you want to have this class.